Hello and welcome to today's video. I am Sirvesh Kutti, founder of Auris Wealth, your family's long-term wealth partner. In this video, we are going to discuss about the formula for navigating market turbulence and what is a simple guide to building long-term wealth in any market, especially in a market which can be sideways or negative. Okay, so there has been many instances across the world where the market has been stagnant or it has been in a state of time correction for several decades. The most famous of which is the Japanese market. So the Japanese market hit a peak in the 80s, and after that it crashed, and the broader index took almost 35 years to recover and come back to the peak of the 80s. And this is famously quoted as the dark time of the Japanese market, wherein the entire index or the entire broader markets fell. But in reality, there were many stocks like Toyota or Mitsubishi or other companies which were emerging and doing really well across the world, and those individual companies were actually generating alpha and delivering returns to the investors. Okay, similarly in the US, if you see from the dot-com bust to the crash of 2008, there was a time where the broader market was not really generating any returns, but there were stocks like Apple and other tech companies which were generating consistent double-digit CAGR returns for the investors. Okay, so the moral of the story over here is that even if the broader index might be sluggish or might be in a bearish state or having a time correction, there are always pockets of sectors or pockets where there is a growth in any particular market, and that is what we need to find out, or we need to be invested in those markets. Now, identifying these sectors as a retail investor or an individual investor is very difficult, and we need to find a solution for that. And what is the solution, we will see in the next slide. But before that, we need to understand that in order to create long term wealth, we need to master our mind, and through that only we can master our money. And like a nervous first time flyer, whenever there is a turbulence, raw emotions force us to abandon good strategy and take bad decisions. And the highest example of this was during the COVID time. If you remember, the COVID time was extremely uncertain. Nobody knew what will happen in the future. And in February of 2020 and March of 2020 combined, Nifty itself fell by more than 30%. There were many individual stocks which fell by 70-80% as well. And most of the investors thought that this is the end of the road, and they sold in panic in the month of March, literally at the bottom. And what happened after that for the next 3 to 4 years, the kind of bull rally that came was witnessed by everybody. But there were so many people, especially retail investors, who were investing without any professional guidance, took the wrong decision, sold at the bottom in March, and eventually missed one of the biggest opportunities of creating wealth that was presented to the investors from 2020 June, July till almost till the Jan or Feb of 2024, right? So this is the reason why, even if most people know the theory, they are not able to actually implement the right things at the right time. And for that, you need to have experience, you need to have practice, so that a proper wealth partner, a wealth guide, can help you to come out of the greed and fear cycle and take the right decision at the right time. And most importantly, one has to always adhere to this particular formula, that is income minus saving is equal to expenses. Now, most of the people today are having a reverse formula, that is income minus expenses equal to savings, and sometimes the expenses exceeds the income, so that there is no saving, and hence there is no investment, and hence there is no wealth creation opportunity. So if you follow this particular formula, that is income minus savings equal to expenses, some portion of your income has to go into investing through the SIP route, which is the best tool for long-term wealth creation. If you do that systematically for many years, you will truly find the miracle of wealth creation through SIP investing. Now, as I said, most people will think that okay, I have index funds and I'm going to invest in the index. But as I told you, that there have been times like in the Japanese market, in the US markets, that the index has dropped, the entire broader market has underperformed, and the index has given negative returns for many years, and there were many years that the index went nowhere and there was time correction. Okay, but in that particular market also, there were few leadership sectors, sunrise sectors, where there were opportunities to make money and which were compounding at double digit CAGR. As I give example of Japan during the 80s, Mitsubishi, Toyota, Sony, etc., they were doing really well. Now, for most retail investors, they don't have the time, energy, resources, or even the experience to identify these sectors and the best stocks amongst those sectors. And this is the reason why we need to be investing through a professional fund management team. And the best tool for that is mutual fund, SIF, PMS, and AIF, because a professional fund manager whose entire job is to just research the markets and find the next alpha generating opportunity for the investors, that is where we need to put our money. And for identifying the best mutual fund, the best scheme, and the best fund manager, it is we at Auris Wealth, your wealth partner, your wealth guide. We will help you to allocate your funds to the right fund manager, to the right fund schemes based on your goals, so that your portfolio keeps on generating alpha, your wealth creation journey keeps on continuing in spite of the broader index being negative, being bearish, or undergoing severe correction. Okay, and this is the secret of having a all weather portfolio, where you need to have a proper proportionate mix based on your risk appetite and based on your goals, to have all the assets exposure in your portfolio and not just be heavy on one particular asset. Okay, in today, most of the middle class investors or people who are from the upper middle class, so not upper middle class, actually middle class and lower middle class, have 90% of their net worth in real estate. And in that as well, they don't own really the real estate, they are actually owned by the bank, and they are just paying the EMI for 20, 30, 35 years, right? So if you really want to create an all-weather portfolio which will actually create serious wealth over the next 10, 15, 20 years, you need to have a mix of equities, you need to have some fixed income and credit products as well. Then you need to 100% have exposure to global equities, because as you know, in India we do not have opportunities for AI, we don't have opportunities for manufacturing, or even we don't have opportunities for renewable energy or even oil, etc. So all of that opportunity is outside of India. India only represents 4% of the entire world's market cap. So 96% is outside of India. So we need to take advantage of all of those products and companies and their growth. So hence global investing is very inevitable. And after that, real estate in the form of financial products, not actual real estate purchase, but real estate exposure in the form of REITs or InvITs, is something that you need to have in a proper proportionate allocation, which is coherent to your risk appetite, and as I said, to your goal. And this is exactly where we come and we provide you a professional guidance. We understand yours and your family's goals, your current financial income, expenses, commitments, etc. Based on that, we will recommend you which product is best for you to achieve your particular financial goal, whether it be retirement planning, children higher education, home purchase, car purchase, or even just generational wealth creation, financial freedom, etc. Based on that, we will recommend you the right asset allocation, and in that asset allocation, we will recommend you the right product, whether it be mutual fund or SIF or PMS or AIF, or maybe it could be gift city fund as well. Okay, so this is the right way for investors to invest. And if you know that there was a study of JP Morgan and Dalbar, for 25 years they did a study on investors, or more than 1000 investors, they found that the investors who invested for a long term under professional guidance on an average made 5.2% more return every single year in terms of CAGR as compared to investors who were DIY investors and who invested based on their own knowledge or their own experience. So the returns, the experience and the guidance that a professional mentor or a professional wealth partner can provide you is immense as compared to DIY investing. Okay, so if you want to start investing under the professional guidance of Auris Wealth team, all you have to do is book your free investment discussion call online. Okay, in this we will understand your current investments, your current financial inflow outflow, and then we will map out yours and your family's goals and aspiration, and based on that we will recommend you the correct products which will help you to reach those goals at the right time and in the right proportion. Okay, so the link to booking this free investment discussion call and goal planning call will be in the description box below. So do take advantage of this limited time opportunity. And if you found this video valuable, then do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button as well. This will give us motivation for making more such videos. And if you have any doubt or thought or comments, then do mention it in the comment section as well. Thank you.